How to create a meal plan using MyFitnessPal. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the FitnessPal application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen where you can simply select on the log food option. Tap on it and you can simply select different kind of meals. So right now at the top of the screen you can see different options, so you can select among breakfast, lunch, dinner or snacks. So if you want to select for lunch, you can simply select on lunch and you can select and add in whatever you would like. Then as you do that, you'll be able to create a lunch for your meal for your lunch over here. Next, what you can do is simply go up again and tap on breakfast and do the same process again. So as you do that, you'll be able to create meal plan in MyFitnessPal application. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.